Hello everyone. You have started watching Vaninomics. Myself Dr. Gaurav Kumar Vani, and today we are going to discuss what is decision and what are the steps in making decision. Let's begin here. So we start with the definition of the word decision. So it is a purposeful selection of best course of action available to solve the problem. Steps in making decisions are problem identification, finding alternative course of action to solve the problem, evaluation of alternative course of action, choosing the best course of action to solve for solving the problem, and implementing the chosen course of action. So remember, a decision is taken always to solve a problem, and it has to be purposeful. You are voluntarily making a effort to solve the problem, and in order to solve the problem, the first thing has to be what is the problem that you are going to solve. So in this, it is always said that a problem well stated is half solved. What does it mean? When you write down the problem either in the text or in the graphic form or in the mathematical way, whatever it is, then it is always easy to solve the problem because you can visualize your problem, you can understand the problem. So it is always easy to work on the problem when you write it in some form. Then in this world, we can have several options or alternative ways of solving the problem. Fortunately, we have in most of the ways to solve the problem, but in extreme cases you can only have one way to solve the problem. Then you need not work on the third step, you can directly go to fourth step. So if you have many ways to solve a problem, then one of the ways can be regarded as best. That means it will be most efficient way of solving the problem. That means it may be costing less to achieve the same target, that is solving the problem, or the level of achievement is more for a given level of cost, that is also possible. So here you have to evaluate, you have to consider benefits from taking course of action, and also you have to consider the cost. So once you identify the course of action which gives highest benefit for a given level of cost, then you have to choose it, and the next step is implement it. Very often, choosing the best course of action, you have to involve the stakeholders, the people who are really affected by the problem need to be consulted, and then you need to implement it for the people who are facing the problem, and this is the way you do it. A great example in farming community can be a farmer is having three crops that he can plant in the Rabi season. One is wheat, one is chickpea, one is mustard, and he has to take a decision to maximize profit. Now, profit maximization is the goal, and here is a problem. Problem is that he can do so um in various ways. He does not know what is the best way out. So now what are the ways to solve this problem? So you can allocate more area to wheat, less area to chickpea, and some remaining area to mustard. So you can have various alternative permutations and combinations in which you can allocate, let's say, 5 hectare of land which is available to farmer, and once you allocate it on a piece of paper, and then you can evaluate which combination of wheat, chickpea and mustard area gives the highest profit. So once you do so and you identify those combinations, then you have to say to farmers that look, this is the thing I have identified for you. These are the possible ways in which we can allocate area to wheat, chickpea and mustard. These are going to be the cost, these are going to be the revenue, and these are going to be the profit. So then you have to choose the best and then implement it. So implementation will be by the farmer. So these are the steps in making decision. Remember, it is a purposeful decision. It's not involuntary, it's a voluntarily taken to solve a problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video.